everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 app if it keeps logging you out automatically. First, head over to your App Store or Play Store and then install the app to the latest version. Installing your app to the latest version is important because it will give you the latest files and all the bug fixes. Then restart your device to clear temporary issues. After that, head over to your settings and then search for battery. Then turn the low power mode off if you have turned it on. This will prevent the app from closing automatically. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the N26 app. Turn off any VPN as it may interfere with login sessions. Always log out properly before closing the app. That's how to fix the N26 app keeps logging you out error. Subscribe for more simple banking guides.